Wow, what a lovely morning it is. Very good morning, all present here. Respected Principal Sir, Honorable EO Sir, high-minded teaching and non-teaching, and my dear students. As you all gather here to celebrate 75th Independence Day of our motherland, I welcome you all. This is one of the precious days for every Indian because we got independence on this day, that's 15th August 1947. We celebrate this day each year to remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters in rescuing our motherland from the clutches of the British Raj. This day also celebrated to showcase the importance of freedom and how much it cost. People who born after independence are likely to take this freedom for granted, and the events like the Independence Day remind us how important and necessary freedom is. Independence Day also reminds us our duties and responsibilities towards nation. On that note, allow me to start today. I welcome you all here for the 75th Independence Day of India. We, the Kumaraguru Institute of Agriculture, take immense pride in our national identity, our motherland. So we celebrate this day not just for the sake of it, but with all our heart and soul. I once again welcome Principal Sir, EO Sir, staff members, students, and everyone who graced this with their presence here and through online mode. Now, I would like to call our Damodaran Sir to give welcome address.
Good morning, everyone. Most respected Principal Sir, beloved Executive Officer, and my respected teachers, non-teaching staffs, and my dear students, friends. It's an absolute honor for me to present welcome speech on this Independence Day. Today, it's our 75th Independence Day, and we should feel proud to be a part of independent nation, and also we are having freedom to speech, freedom to live in our own way. We do not have to follow anybody's slavery. But this was not the case 75 years ago when we were under the control of British government. India has been ruled by Britishers for more than 200 years, and after a continuous struggle by our freedom fighters, we got our independence on 15th August 1947. On this day, our tricolor national flag was hoisted in Red Fort by our Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Since then, we are celebrating Independence Day every year to honor our freedom fighters. In every department, government department, schools and colleges. This is a pride and joy for every nation and also the citizen of India. In this occasion, it's my privilege to welcome our Honorable Principal for this function. I welcome you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome our Executive Officer for this function. I welcome you, sir. Then, I would like to welcome all my teaching faculty and non-teaching faculty for this function. Finally, I would like to welcome our students' friends. Though your presence may not be physical in our campus, I welcome you all in virtual session. So, I welcome you all for this Independence Day celebration. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call our Executive Officer, Mr. Balasubramanian sir, to welcome the gathering.
மதிப்புக்கும் மரியாதைக்குரிய குமரகுடி வேளாண் கல்லூரி முதல்வர் அவர்களே மற்றும் ஆசிரியர்களே மற்றும் அலுவலர்களே, பாதுகாப்பு அலுவலர்களே மற்றும் இன்றைய தினம் இணையத்தின் வழியாக கலந்து கொண்டிருக்கும் அனைத்து ஆண்டு மாணவர்களே, அனைவருக்கும் இனிய காலை வணக்கம். ஆகஸ்ட் 15வது நாள் இன்றைய நாள் இந்திய தேசத்தின் முக்கியமான நாள்னு என்று சொல்லலாம். இந்த புனிதமான நாள் 1947 ஆண்டு ஆகஸ்ட் 15ஆம் தேதி இந்திய நாட்டின் ஒரு புதிய நாள், புதிய தொடக்கமே என்று சொல்லலாம். இந்த நாளில் வந்து நம்ம இந்தியா முழுவதும் அரசு அலுவலகங்கள், பள்ளிகள், கல்லூரிகளில் இன்றைய தினத்தை விடுமுறையாக அறிவிக்கப்பட்டு இன்றைய தினத்தில் இந்த சுதந்திரத்துக்காக இந்த விடுதலை இந்த நாளில் ஏற்படுத்தப்பட்டு அதன் மூலம் அனைத்து மாணவர்களுக்கும் அனைத்து பொதுமக்களுக்கும் போராட்டத்தின் மூலம் கிடைத்த அனுபவங்களையும் வெற்றிகளையும் இந்த நாளில் நினைவு கூர்ந்து அவர்களுக்கு நன்றி கடனும் வீர வணக்கத்தையும் இந்த நாளில் தொடர்ந்து 72 காலமாக இந்திய நாட்டில் அனைவரும் செய்து கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். அந்த வகையில் நமது கல்லூரியில் இந்த 70 ஆண்டு சுதந்திர தின விழாவை சிறப்பாக நடைபெற நமது அழைப்பினை ஏற்று இங்கு வருகை புரிந்திருக்கும் நமது முதல்வர்களையும் மற்றும் ஆசிரியர்களையும் மாணவர்களையும் இணையத்து வழியாக கலந்து கொண்டிருக்கும் மாணவர்களையும் அவர்களையும் வருக என வரவேற்பேன். மேலும் இந்த தினத்தில் இந்த நெருக்கடியான காலகட்டத்தில் நம்ம எல்லாரும் இந்த சுதந்திர தினத்தை விமர்சையாக கொண்டாடும் நேரத்தில் மிகவும் எளிமையாகவும் ரொம்ப பாதுகாப்பாகவும் இன்றைய தினத்தை கொண்டாடி கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். இன்றைய நேரத்தில் நாம் அனைவரும் இந்த சுதந்திர தினத்தில் ஒரு சேலஞ்சாக ஒரு சபதங்களை ஏற்றுக்கொண்டு இந்த நாட்டின் வலிமையான நாடாகவும் வளமான நாடாகவும் திறமையான நாடாகவும் அனைத்தும் நம் கையில் இருக்கும் என்ற தன்னம்பிக்கையோடு நம் அனைவரும் இந்த நாளில் சபதம் ஏற்று இந்த நாட்டுக்கு சுதந்திரம் வாங்கி கொடுத்த அனைத்து தேச தலைவர்களையும் புரட்சிகர வீரர்களையும் தியாகிகளையும் இன்றைய நேரத்தில் நினைவு கூர்ந்து அனைவருக்கும் வாழ்த்துக்களையும் நன்றியையும் வீர வணக்கத்தையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு இந்த நாட்டை வளமான நாடாக உருவாக்குவது நம் கையில் உள்ளது என்று தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு அனைவருக்கும் 75வது சுதந்திர தின வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite our principal, Vijay Padian sir, to hoist our national flag.
Flag salute! Order!
நான் வர்றேன்.
our principal sir to address the gathering.
அனைவருக்கும் எனது 75வது சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். My best wishes for the 75th Happy Independence Day to all the staff members. Good morning to everybody. Dear staff members from the Kumaravur Institute of Agriculture, teaching, non-teaching, supporting staffs, and also students from of this campus who are attending this 75th Independence Day on a virtual mode. Once again I say good morning and welcome to this function also. So everybody knows this is a day and we must recollect the sacrifices made by our patriotic leaders who fought for the independence of this our nation. Really I feel proud to be here and in hoisting the flag, our national flag, on the 75th Independence Day. So this is one of the rarest occasions given to us an individual attending the 75th Independence Day and also hoisting the national flag is one of the gifted also. In that occasion, I feel proud. So I thank the organization and management of this Kumaravur Institute of Agriculture also. So when we explained earlier, this is the day we must recollect our sacrifices, recollect our happenings, recollect our events, and also recollect our growth stages of the different sectors also. So everyone knows that when we move from this independence day every year, so India is growing phenomenally in all these sectors, especially if you take the transport sectors and railways and also roadways and the airways also, and communication sector. So tremendous improvement in the communication sector, and we have come to the stage of 100% learning from the virtual mode also, from the physical mode, and we are attending this all the learning mode in the virtual. So that growth of this communication is more magnificent in our, as far as our country is concerned, and also in growth in all the sectors also. So because we are an agriculture area, our agriculture faculty members and students of agriculture, so we must feel proud that the growth of agriculture is also phenomenal from this independence at present also. So when Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru assumes the first planning commission, the word he uttered at this planning commission, addressed the planning commission is the anything can wait but not the agriculture. That was the caution given to all the ministers and planners when the first planning commission was commenced after the independence. So because of this word, and we've grown up larger in the irrigation sector, lot of dams and irrigation sector, and also growth in the agriculture also. So though our population has increased in manifolds, agriculture sector also grown in correspondingly. Now we are self-sufficient in most of the food grain production and excess production in most of the horticulture crops also. So this is because of this our planners, administrators, and also our farmers also, and also by our scientists, and also by the extension worker, and who has implemented all their schemes in agriculture also. And also this is one of the areas agriculture is given a lot of importance also. After we must feel proud also, in Tamil Nadu government has taken a lot of effort and presented a separate budget for agriculture also. So this is one of the eye-opener for this nationwide. So how the agriculture has been given a lot of importance, and yesterday government has made a separate presentation for the agriculture also. So this is the growth of our, as far as agriculture in all the sectors over the years, and now we are in the 75th year of this Independence Day. And as individual and also as agriculture college students also, and we must dedicate and devote to this nation also. So everyone should take a pledge that how best we can contribute to the nation after studying the agriculture also. So everyone knows that last 1 year our nation is under the severe stress due to the pandemic period. So even in pandemic period also, if we take all the sectors showing a negative growth, only agriculture growth is showing the positive side also. So that is one of these significance as far as India is concerned. So country like India, so agriculture is the, everybody would have studied in first year, it is a way of life to the farmers. So it's a part of the life to the farmers, and they take agriculture in all the ordeal situation also. Whether it is a rain or shine, farmers will take up all the cultivation and they will feed the nation also. So that was the indication last year we got, and we made a positive growth in the agriculture also. So as far as our campus is concerned, so our staff members are working hard, and also last year we started the online courses. It was moving very successfully also in all the respect, and students are also attending and getting the nearly satisfactory pass percentage in most of the courses also. So this is one of the new area, attending the education on online and also attending the examination also on the online this time, and separate app has been created, and all the students attended and devoted all the time for the attending the examination also. So this is one of the improvement in our, as far as our KA is concerned. And Kumaraguru is also improving a lot on this our infrastructure and improvement in the teaching faculty capacity and improvement in our teaching and learning side also. So with this, definitely we can attain the new heights among the different colleges and university. Definitely with the help of our students and staff member, we will reach the height of the first at these during the coming days also. And as far as we are concerned, so we must appreciate all our during the pandemic period, our NSS students also. They also worked for this COVID warrior, a lot of video programs, and which was sent to UGC and recognized by most of the UGC also. And recently, Mohan has taken a lot of efforts in sending the national science also. So this showed this patriotism of our students also. So every student should be of this accountable to our nation also. And then only our growth will attain in all sectors also. Because India is one country, we have a lot of human resources, especially young resources, definitely which will make our country in all heights in our global level. So I wish our KA students also should take a pledge in this 75th Independence Day, and we should work for the nation and we should work for the farmer, and also attain new heights, new posts and new jobs, and go to the higher studies and bring the name and fame to the KA in future years also. So these 4 words, I once again appreciate our all the staff members, especially our physical director and his team, Mohan, all the team also, non-teaching and supporting staff, and for organizing this 75th Independence Day in a fitting manner, and giving me the chance to address and flag raising on the 75th. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I would like to call Mr. Gopinath sir to give the vote of thanks.
morning to all present here. Wish you happy 75th Independence Day celebrations. I feel proud to propose this vote of thanks on the behalf of Umar Minister of Agriculture and on my own behalf. We are all grateful to all freedom fighters who sacrificed everything for the independence of our country. We would like to express our deep sense of thankfulness to our correspondent, sir, principal sir, EO sir, teaching and non-teaching staff for arranging this program. Further, we would like to thank our students, friends for presenting a sense of discipline, punctuality and enthusiasm for our Independence Day celebration. Once again, I thank you one and all and thank you with a grateful heart. Thank you all. Jai Hind. Next, National Anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता